Hi everyone, we have revised unit number 1, the human body, in which we have learned about the bones, the skeleton, muscles and joints, and organs of the body, internal organs of the body, and sense organs. We have done with our exercises also. So today we are going to do an activity. It's a practical. Activity number 3. The body can do many things with practice. Try the following. Number 1 is balance on one leg for a minute without falling over. Let's start this activity. Now you both have to stand on your one leg. You have to balance yourself for at least 1 minute. Your time starts now. For first few minutes, you will balance yourself very nicely. But after few minutes, it will be difficult for you to maintain your balance. Now see, it will become more difficult in these last minutes. Now try this activity at your home. Second one is draw a picture using one hand. Then try to draw the same picture using the other hand. So let's do it. Take a page and draw a line in the center of the page. Divide it into two halves. Mark one half with the right hand and the other half with the left hand. First we will draw with our right hand. You can draw anything you want. Take a start with an easier thing. But here we are making three things. First mountains, then we will draw a tree with the right hand and then a house, a simple house. Now let's draw these three things with our left hand on the other half of the page. Let's start with the mountains again. Here you can see the difference in speed. Even it's a bit difficult to make a straight line with our left hand. This activity involves our bones, joints and muscles of our hand. And can you guess which sense organs are involved in it? Now it has completed. See the difference in both drawings. The grip of a right hand is more strong than the grip of the left hand, but it varies from person to person. For that purpose, you have to try it by yourself. I hope you have enjoyed these both activities. Now try it by yourself. Thank you.